Hi guys, this is the VIxMaster here, Mbongeni. Since it's Monday, let's just have a quick recap of what could happen during the week and what is the market structure of the starting of the week. Looking at volatility index 75, VIx75, we can see that the market is consolidating in this area. So the market is consolidating in this area. That's what we have gathered in this information. You write it down, market consolidation. Then now we're checking for trend. We're still at the higher time frame. So trend, as we look at it, we see that the market is in an uptrend. Went high, came back, never broke the low. Made the high, made the low. This is the low, this is the high, and consolidated, struggling to break this low here. So what does this tell us? Tells us that this area here, is a support that is very valuable, which will push the market higher. Because of it has been rejected so many times and sellers can't break that level. Fine. Let's go and check to the lower time frames. Now we've got the trend, it's up. We've got the market that is consolidating. So we've got two conditions already. So let's go. I'm just giving you a full trading plan. So now we're going to a lower time frame. I'm going to check 4 hours. On the 4-hour chart, you look at the market structure. Already I can see few things here that can work with me or for me. Already there's a wick to the upside that was rejected. A second test that was rejected. So already I know I'm at the higher time frame, but I have a double bottom already. Okay, let's go. Checking at the market. The market still in the consolidation, as we saw. Going to a lower time frame, a 1-hour time frame. We can see clearly now that the market formed a double bottom. Formed here, was rejected. The market is currently having a long wick that didn't manage to break these levels here. So by that we have information that this is a valuable area where the market is now. Is a valuable area which was tested on a previous data many times by the market and reversed. So if you check this here and then you check again here, market pushed higher in these levels. Market pushed higher in these levels. So we now know that this is an area of value, that when market gets to the area, possibilities are that the market will push higher. So those are that's the third condition that you put to your plan. Now that we got all that information, we're going down to the lower time frame now. As we can see at the lower time frame. So what I can tell you guys is that at the lower time frame, look for patterns. So this is a bullish pattern that I have here. It's a bullish pattern, but what I did is that I made a flag. Market trended down. It's not a downtrend, but market trended down. It's a correction. So market corrected here. Knowing that I know my patterns is that I have to buy low at this market, because I know that market, I've got my conditions. I know that my market is going up, so I'm gonna look for a correction and buy. So what I did is that I noticed that market will push higher from this channel. As we wait, I entered my first entries on a lower time frame. I entered my low entries on a lower time frame. So my reason for entries was that if these three candles after this, if I see a green candle after these three candles, I enter the market, because of this is a sign of an exhaustion for the sellers. They exhausted. So after them, I get a green candle, I push higher, and it close above them. The candle must close above them. So it did that. Enter the market hard. Now the scenario we're looking at is another break of this level. It's a break above this level and it close above it, so that we know that we will get a clear breakout pattern, a test, and then we enter more buys on this level. So I've got 5 conditions now. So already the market is doing our thing. So you see the confluence of different time frames. So what I'm telling you is that I'll wait for the market on this 15 minutes, because I take my trades mostly on a 15-minute chart. So what I'm gonna do is wait for this candle to close above here, and then another one will come maybe here, and then more red candles to the downside, and then this is where we're gonna enter the market again. Or you might enter the market after the break of this candle here. You know that the market will break higher, and then re-enter again on a test, and then the market will push to the upside, making higher highs, and then coming back, and then to the other side of the market, which will be the market will have to come like that, probably give you higher highs, higher lows to this area. So that's what I'm looking at. So yeah, we'll keep holding, guys, and this was just a plan, a trading plan simply made for you to understand the market. The VIxMaster here signing out. Happy trading, happy Monday. Thanks, guys.